Today, we're making a simple, delicious Father's Day meal, Parmesan crusted plant-based steak with roasted asparagus and creamy mashed potatoes. Made extra tasty with Panacheeza. This meal comes together fast and only needs a few ingredients. Let's go. Hi, Dad. Love you. This one's for you. Hi, guys. Welcome to La Cucina Panacheeza. Today we are celebrating our dads, fathers, papa, father figures, whatever you want to call him. He's the most important man in our family, and we're going to feed him well today. Today we are making Parmesan crusted steaks and asparagus roasted with Parmesan finished with a balsamic glaze, as well as with a side of buttery mashed potatoes. The star of this meal is steak. Today we are using chunk steak, literally one of the best plant-based steaks I've ever had. And I've been eating plant-based meats for 16 years. Tastes just like meat, has a wonderful texture and is so very juicy, and it's only made with a few ingredients. Along with our steak, we are going to have panko breadcrumbs, butter softened, and of course, the real star of the show, Panacheeza. For our asparagus, we're gonna have one bunch of asparagus, salt and pepper. Let's get cooking for Dad. First up, asparagus. Trim the ends and arrange them in a dish. Brush with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and sprinkle with Panacheeza. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes until tender, then broil for that crispy, cheesy finish. Now for the star of the plate, plant-based chunked steak. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan, season your steaks, and cook about 4 minutes per side, adding more butter as you flip. While that cooks, mix up your crust, Panacheeza, panko, and butter. Once the steaks are cooked, top them with that cheesy crust, pop the pan under the broiler, and watch it turn golden and crispy. Plate it all up with some creamy mashed potatoes, and you've got a Father's Day meal that's full of love and flavor. Simple, just like Panacheeza. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. This one's for you.